morning, guys. This is Brad from Crower Mobile Detailing. This morning I am driving to Springtown, Texas. It's about an hour 15 west of Dallas. It's west of Fort Worth, so got a little early start this morning. I'm going to ceramic coat a brand new Caymas bass boat, so I'm really excited about that. I had a customer, Chris, contact me. He said his son was watching YouTube, saw one of my videos, thought it'd be a good idea to get his new boat coated, so brought his son a hat. Hopefully that's a thank you enough for them. So just had a little setback a couple weeks ago. I had a detail job in Southlake. It was 2 cars, showed up there, opened up the back of my truck, and all my equipment had been stolen the night before from a secured parking garage where I live. Under a locked tonneau cover had my Predator 3500, my pressure washer, my air tank, air compressor, everything. So having to start over. So I got to the job, opened it up, then I had to tell the customer, hey, I'll be back. Ran up to Home Depot and had to buy the essentials. You know, had to get a new vacuum cleaner. They stole that. Had to get a pressure washer. I just bought just a cheap little $99 Ryobi, which was actually pretty good. I still have it, but I finally got the pressure washer I've always wanted. I got the 1622 TS. Thing's amazing. I used it yesterday for the first time, so I'm excited to use that again today. Anyway, it was just a setback, but it's kind of funny. The night before, my wife and I were sitting on the couch. I just established my LLC for my company, just talking about how blessed we were. And the next morning, I have all my stuff stolen. But you know what? I moved on. And all my product was stolen as well. I had a big Husky tub full of everything I'd acquired over time, so had to start over with product. Anyway, that's just a side note. So I'm gonna come up here, prep the boat, get it going. Looking forward to do it, and I thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see you in a little bit. Thanks. guys, I got the boat prepped, and now is a moment of truth, putting this on in the blazing heat. That probably wasn't a good idea. Putting this on in the blazing heat, see how it goes. I already did the windshield for the boat, but I did that in the shade. So with Glidecoat, the Pro Marine, you have a part A and a part B, so you just got to mix these together. I got 120 mils, and that ought to cover this bass boat. You got to keep shaking this stuff up as you use it, you know, about before every application. So you just take part B. Well, I got to take the lid off. Take part B, pour it into part A, and shake it up really good. Let's get started coating.